Balance the redox reaction by oxidation number change method or ion electron method or half reaction method. SO3 minus 2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2 is gives us Cr plus 3 plus SO4 minus 2. Figure the reducing and oxidizing agents by the rules of assigning oxidation numbers. In this equation, sulfur has charge of plus 4 and it changing into plus 6. So sulfur is being oxidized. The chromium has charge of plus 6 and it changing into plus 3. So chromium is being reduced. Now you can balance the number of atoms in the two half reactions. In the oxidation half reaction, to balance the oxygen atoms, you can produce water molecules. Now you can balance the hydrogen atoms. To do this, you can produce H plus ions. The number of atoms in the oxidation half reaction is balanced. Now you can balance the number of atoms in the reduction half reaction. In the reduction half reaction, to balance the chromium atoms, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of Cr plus 3. The chromium atoms are balanced. Now you can balance the oxygen atoms. To do this, you can produce water molecules. Now you can balance the hydrogen atoms. To do this, you can produce H plus ions. The number of atoms in the reduction half reaction is balanced. For a redox reaction, the addition of charges on both sides should be equal. So try it in the oxidation half reaction. So both sides are not equal. To make them equal, you should add electrons as you can't add protons. Thus if you think of adding 2 protons to left side to make it equal to 0, it is wrong. But you can add 2 electrons to right side to make it equal to minus 2. Now the charges on the oxidation half reaction is equal. Now you can equal the charges in the reduction half reaction. To do this, you can add electrons. Now you can add 6 electrons to left side. Now the charges on the reduction half reaction is equal. Make electron gain equivalent to the electron lost. The electrons gained in the oxidation half reaction must be equal to the electrons lost in the reduction half reaction. In the oxidation half reaction, there are 2 electrons present, but in the reduction half reaction, there are 6 electrons present. So now you can try to make the number of electrons equal on both reactions. To do this, you can multiply the oxidation half reaction by a coefficient of 3. Now you can add the both reactions. Now you can cancel the same terms. The equation is now balanced in an acidic medium. For reactions in a basic medium, add one OH minus ion to each side for every H plus ion present in the equation. The OH minus ions must be added both sides of the equation to keep charge and atoms balanced. Combine OH minus ions and H plus ions that are present on the same side to form water. Now you can cancel the same terms. In a basic medium, the equation is now balanced. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.